3, 2, 1. Woo! Whoa.
Why did you open the
Number
game?
5's been in parts. You don't know how many parts number 5's been in. I think this is the 4th part in number 5.
More time.
The other one was about 50 seconds. Sorry about that. But we couldn't deal with it. More fireworks, quickly! Roll, roll, roll!
The next one. And they'll shoot off in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That did not work.
It's a bit windy.
That did not work. That nearly hit us in the face.
I'm nervous. I'm nervous.
Stay there.
Go and get some water. Go and get some water.
It's come apart anyway.
Stop.
Oh. That was not very good.
That was scary.
Oh.
Do you want me to just throw some water on it?
Jake, what you need to do is pick somebody's
Wait.
like
Dun dun dun. We still win.
Dun, dun.
Don't kick me in the knee.
It was banter.
Fool.
It was just banter.
No. Next firework.
Okay, that doesn't do the same.
Oh, that one was
Oh my arm.
Banter.
This was the last part of number 5. And
Balance from banter.